our solar system.
That's fascinating, Plankton. But we all have right.
Sugar, food, also Inca,
This weed is so fucking good, Han! Takes another hit.
Oh no, not again. We're coming back.
You know that Uranus has 20 seeing moons, and it was discovered by
Plankton, let us enjoy this timepiece.
Fun fact, Uranus rotates on its side on any other planet.